Hey guys, so I just wanted to get on here to give you like a quick review. It's the new Perricone MD Soothing and Hydrating Eye Cream. This is a really awesome product. This is what the product actually looks like. What I love about it is that it is really like a thick product. So the way that you apply this eye cream is you basically will take a little bit and you pat it underneath the eyes. You use your ring finger. And the reason you use your ring finger is because it's the least pressure finger, and you're just patting it in an inward motion towards the bridge of your nose. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the top of your eye. The effects like CBD on the body is it reduces inflammation, and usually with darker circles and like puffiness underneath the eyes, that could be like a form of like inflammation. So that's why it's like really great to use eye cream all around, but something with CBD, it actually really works. So I would definitely give this a try. The Perricone MD Hypoallergenic CBD Sensitive Skin Therapy. You could find it right in my Macy store. So hope you enjoy this little eye tutorial and definitely give this a try.